Good morning. Maayong aga sa inyong tanan. Halin diri sa Bacolod City. Ari kami guys sa Bacolod City ha. Ilongga ako guys. Naga-Ilongga ako. So good morning everybody. How's your weekend? Today is Monday. So tapos na yung weekend natin. Marami tayong ginawa for the weekend. Tapos of course naka-achieve tayo ng ating mga gagawin for the weekend. So we had celebrated our 27 years wedding anniversary yesterday, Sunday. So today is we will be remembering the day that we arrived in the Philippines on this date 2 years ago. So today 2 years na kami dito ni Daddy. Yuhu! Nakasurvive kami guys ng 2 years. Yes! Guys, papintura tayo ng tiles. Dapat kukunin siya and then palitan. So nag-decide si Daddy, why not paint it? So ito na guys, tingnan nyo. Tara! Pring! Oh, gin-paint siya ng gray kasi gray siya talaga. Yung tiles is gray. So pininturahan na lang ni Bubu ng gray. Oh, yung ganda nyo guys. Pre-close natin kasi medyo mabaho yung paint. Ha? Ayan guys. So, di ba ang ganda niya tingnan? Ayan. Ayan siya. Okidoki. Thank you for painting our veranda. Kasi dyan si Daddy guys nakatambay. So, it's a nice place for him to stay now, to tambay with his music. Guys, good afternoon. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa 3rd floor. At saka, umuwi na guys si Bubu. Pininturahan niya yung 2nd floor. So, ang next natin na project ay ang floor dito. We're just gonna try and paint it. Kaysa i-replace kasi maganda pa yung tiles. Hindi pa siya crack or anything. So, we'll just have to do the grouting and then we'll just have to do the painting in the gray and then the varnish or the clear lacquer on the design. Try natin. But anyway, nag-ano kami guys, namili kami ni Daddy. Alright. So, nandito yung binili namin. Ang purpose talaga is pumili kami ng spray. So, nakabili kami ng parang 8. Parang 8 nito guys, yung binili namin. Mag-spray muna tayo. Ayan. And then, nakabili ako ng wood design na ano siya guys, chopping board, pero pwede siya lagyan ng cheese. Ang purpose natin is ilagay natin dito. buksan muna natin siya. Maganda siya guys na ano. Ayan. Okay. Ano ito guys? 4 kilo na mga items. Magaan siya. Ayan. Pumili tayo na 3 para sa serving. Ano natin? Sa serving. Mag-serve tayo sa mga guests. Saka ito, lagyan na ng mga spring roll, saging, lahat-lahat ng mga lulutuin, yun na pwede natin i-serve. Yung kay daddy na pagkain, pwede natin i-serve. Pumili din ako nito guys. Lagyan na ng hotdog, at saka mga bacon. Nakabili tayo nito. Oh, diba? Ganda. Nakabili tayo nito. Oh, diba? Ayos. Saka may 3 tayong spoons for ano siya guys, sa mga soy sauce. Ayan. Oh, that one is gray. All the ones gray. And the design, we will lacquer it to shine it back bed, because the wood is still there. Just shine, we want shining it. So lacquer is a clear paint, which is good.
This one probably needs
Nice.
shiny. You'll probably get
Para siya sa sink, so ilagay ko siya. Ayun, may dalaw siyang soap dish. Okay guys, so this is what we purchased from Shopee. You can put your soap, you can put your sponge, you can put your tea towel here. There's another area here that you can hang something. Ayan siya guys. And then of course, dito tayo dadaan para mag-turn on tayo ng water natin na shower. Ayan. Ayan. Okay siya guys. Tara! Maganda niya tingnan guys. Mura lang siya guys. 200 plus lang ito. Sa Australia siguro mga $50 na yan. Ito na yan. Ganda na yung binili natin. Panghampas. Panghampas sa mga ano, hindi masunurin na tao. Tara! Ayun. Looks good. So ito, pwede natin yan lagay dyan. Ayan, parang ganyan. Ayun. Lagyan na ng mga anik-anik. Oh, see? The wind is very nice. Dad is making a sandwich, Dad.
yeah.
Oh, he's making a sandwich for dinner. And then ito guys, ang ginawa ni Bubo, Daddy. Bubo, Daddy. For the varnish?
Yeah, varnish.
Huh?
Yeah, varnish.
Because it was like flaking. Oh, yun, Dad. It's good now, oh. Daddy. No more flaking. I was thinking it's so easy to just brush it, but nobody done it at all. Oh, man. We have this for a long time, di ba? Dad, no?
Yeah.
We have this for like how many years? So, dito siya natin guys ilalagay. Ayan. Dito siya natin ilalagay. Ayan, pwede tayo maglagay ng, oh, dito siya. Ayan. Dito tayo maglagay ng, ano dyan, for ating, tara! Ayun. Dandahan, slowly, guys. We try and fix little things in the house. Ayun. Whose bag is that? Bobo, maybe. Somebody left their bag. Kay Bobo, to. Must be Bobo. Diyan lang. Oo, we'll just leave it there. Kanya siguro yan. So, ganito kami sa hapon. Chill lang kami ni Daddy in the afternoon. Enjoying the coolness of the place. This is actually a nice afternoon here. Dad, no? Nice afternoon.
Yes.
Oo, it's not sunny anymore. So guys, happy afternoon from the 3rd floor. Iikot ko kayo sa aming 3rd floor. Start tayo dito sa ating black kitchen. Ayan.
Thank you for watching. Bye-bye now.